Today we're diving into the secret sauce of actually boosting your average order value. Imagine turning your boring standard shipping policy into a powerful sales tool. And you know how we do that? I'm going to show you how to choose the buy two, get free shipping on Shopify. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify dashboard. Then once you're in your dashboard, what you need to do is navigate to discounts just here on the left-hand side. And as you can see, I've already set up a few of these discounts already, but we're going to set up a new discount for this new offer. And to set up a new discount, all you need to do is click on the create discount button. And now it's given us a choice. We can either go for amount off products, buy X, get Y, amount off order, or free shipping. So since we all want to offer free shipping, we're going to navigate to the free shipping offer, click on that. And this is where we can name the discount code. We can either set up generate a random code by clicking on this link here, or we can give our discount its own name. And we're going to call our discount buy two, ship free. Now, the next we're going to look at is the countries where this offer will be available. For the sake of this video, we're just going to keep it at all countries. But if you wanted to select a specific country, all you need to do is click on the selected countries and then type in your country just there. If you type in United, it gives you the option of UK or US. It's going to click cancel. And like I said, we're going to keep it to all countries. And then it's got shipping rates as another option. So what we can do is we can also exclude shipping rates over a certain amount. Again, I'm not going to tick that box. I'm just going to keep it as simple as possible for you here. Now, for this next part, I want you to pay attention because this is where the magic happens. The next option is minimum purchase requirements. So we've got three options here. We've got no minimum requirements, minimum purchase amount in pounds. Obviously, if you were selling in the US or Canada, it would be in dollars or Australia. And then the last option is minimum quantity of items. This is where we're going to choose minimum quantity of items. And then here we're going to put in 2, because 2 is going to be the default of the products that people can actually choose. And what we're saying here, if they purchase a minimum of 2 products, they're going to get free shipping. So if we scroll down to the next option, we can either choose all customers, specific customer segments, or specific customers. Again, for the sake of this video, we're just going to keep it to all customers. The next option is maximum discount uses. So you can either limit the number of times this discount can be used in total, or limit to just 1 use per customer. And for the sake of this video, we're going to click on the limit to 1 use per customer. And if we scroll down further, there's a couple of options. We can either use this discount with product discounts as well, or order discounts. But for now, it's just going to be an offer on its own. So I'm not going to tick either any of these two. And then we've got a start date and a start time. And also we can set the end date. Let's say, for example, you wanted this to be starting in a date in the future. You'd basically change this date. So at the moment, it's the 20th. We could change it to the 27th. And then set the time when the actual discount will be affected. And you can actually tie this in with your email marketing. And the reason why setting the date and the time is so effective is you can actually tie this offer in with your email marketing as well. So you can actually email your customers that something's going to be happening at a certain time. And what you'll find is both of these, Shopify and whatever platform you're using for your email, will basically tie up depending on the date and the time that you actually choose. So we're going to use the start date as today and the start time as 12:01. And we're going to set an end date for, when should we set it for? If we set the end date for a week today, which is the 3rd, scroll down, and we're going to have this finishing on the 3rd at 11:59 p.m. And then what you can do is if you scroll back up now, what we can do is we can see a summary, a nice little summary of what we've actually done before we actually save this discount. So the actual customer would have to type in buy two, ship free. It's free shipping with a code. It's for all online orders, free shipping on all products, for all countries, minimum purchase of 2 items, all customers, 1 use per customer, and you can combine this with other discounts. Or sorry, you can't combine this with other discounts. And it's active from today until November the 3rd. Now, if you're happy with that, just click on the sales channels that this will be available from. So I'm just going to click all of these. And then once I click on save, that is now effective. So now that I've shown you how to set up the buy two, get free shipping, let's talk about another strategy that can work really well with this discount code. So having a discount is one thing, but having really great descriptive product descriptions is another. And in this next video, I'm going to show you how to write really compelling product descriptions that help you convert alongside this discount code. And that video is called How to Write Product Descriptions with ChatGPT that Sell for E-commerce. We'll show you how to use AI to create descriptions that not only highlight your free shipping offer, but also drive more sales. And it's a perfect complement to what you've just learned in this video. This is Des from the Ecom Corner, and just remember, every step you make is a step towards growth. So if you're ready to take your store to the next level, click on the video link just here, and I'll see you in the next video.